guys my favorite. Okay. There is one Pantalone ASMR from a certain voice actor person. And it's like, you're in his office. God damn it. It's like office stuff. Oh God. It's like you're alone in the office doing paperwork and no one else is there. I like that stuff. People like it when you moan, okay? I don't if you never heard this in your life, I'm gonna tell you it right now. As I was saying, men, we want to hear you moan. Okay? I know you might not want to, okay? But women love it when guys make noise. People like it. Everyone likes it. Everyone likes it when they hear a man just sound like they are enjoying. I love how I've like never done the do. I'm acting like I know what I fucking... As a woman that doesn't fucking have zegs, and as a woman that never fucking goes to Pleasure Island, I'm telling you right now, I would literally prefer listening to moaning than actually fuck. Listen, as someone who consumes this content, I pay for it, okay? There, I fucking said I pay for it, okay? Does that make you feel better? Does that make you feel better? That I legit pay for that? You pay for fee, I pay to hear men moan.